Hello students, today we discuss here gymnosperm plant. Gymnosperm plants come after the pteridophyte plant in plant kingdom. So today we discuss here its economic importance, which is very important for the competitive exam. Some important questions asked from the economic importance. So here we discuss here its economic importance. First we simple or general knowledge I want to give you. Gymnosperm plants produce net seed. These plants have no ovary, and these plants have no these plants have not these plants have vascular tissue well developed, but in xylem vessels in xylem vessels is absent, and in phloem is companion cells are absent. This is the most important question. In gymnosperm, in a vascular tissue, xylem vessels are absent and companion cells are absent. This is the most important question. Okay, and Ginkgo biloba or Ginkgo sequoia are the living fossils. This is the most important question. Sequoia sempervirens are the longest tree which is located in a redwood park. Okay, so most important questions are Ginkgo biloba, Ginkgo sequoia are the living fossils. Now we come on the economic importance. In economic importance, gymnosperm plants are used in a ornamental plants. Cycas, Pinus, Arcadia, Ginkgo are planted in home for the decoration. Some plants use as a food. Zamia produce starch which is used in manufacturing of the double roti. Cycas, we obtain sago from the cycas. This is a sabudana. Okay, Cycas revolutus leaves or stem. Cycas revolutus roots or stem used to manufacturing of the drink. Pinus giardiana, its endosperm eat. Nitum genomon is used in Indonesia for manufacturing the biscuit. Some species of gymnosperm for manufacturing of the paper. Netum and Pisa species used to manufacturing of the paper, and many species are used to making the wood and doors. Pinus, Valiciana, Cedar. Cedar, you listen. Cedar is a very famous name. It is used to making the wood and doors. And most important question in the competitive exam: which wood is used to manufacturing of the pencils? Juniperus. Juniperus plants wood is used to manufacturing the pencils, scales and holders also. And next is the most important, Thuja. Thuja wood is used to pillars of the light and telephone. And other some important, one most important is here question is a matchstick. Matchstick is made up of from the pinus wood. Okay, sequoia used to door and window. Okay, in medicinal plant, Cycas citruinalis fresh leaf juice remove the problems of the stomach. Seed of cycas remove the swellings. And most important here is the ephedrine. Ephedrine is obtained from the ephedra plant which remove the cold and cough. And Cycas rumphii produce milk. It is used in tumor disease. And hemlock is the plant. It's from this plant extract tannin which is used to manufacturing of the ink. Okay,